for this our entertainment news. Oh, if you never subscribe to our channel, make una run now go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Make it dey get confirm message. You go just the receiver. Let's say na alert. Banga, banga, banga. My people, on today entertainment news. Hey, now buzz goes best. Because don't be smart thing they happen for this world where we did now. Things they happen. I don't know if you don't see it for yourself, but guys, things they happen for this our country. Hey. This was so happen for about on Saturday. Oh, hey, they really say wahala be like bicycle, but this one not get destination. You see, they find the bicycle, they walk and they go. My people, this was big fast me. I don't laugh, but it reached to laugh. I laugh small, but my teeth no show. I be my people now they see my teeth because I never even they feel my teeth for year. Now Saturday, oh, wedding we suppose stop. Wedding don't already stop. They don't go church and the pastor don't wait them. So they're gonna go reception now. Where they go, do. Groove now normally now after they don't pray for you for wedding, pastor don't pray for you, people don't pray for you, parents don't pray for you. Now to go do dance with your husband, then hey people join now come dance now, the chop rice, pray that chopping of rice. It is very very important. So you see that rice chopping, it is important. Now so they come they go to wedding reception. Normally now husband and wife did the same car, they go wedding reception. Now someone can block them all. As they block them, say when they come down, waiting they happen. The boy not hold anything, no cutlass, no go any weapon. So what's happening? And so they say come down. They say, Oga, this woman no go fit marry you. She get belle for me. She not fit marry you with my pikin. Now everywhere scatter. Chief bridesmaid, men on suits, men, women on ashwebi. All of them fall out. Even crash, can't even day. And so husband they surprised, waiting they happen, go meet wife. Wife they say, hey, waiting they happen. And so that one take for granted. They roll, oh, hey, people, what I can't help me, oh, because I can't help me, oh, what I can't help me, oh, people. Love is one thing, husband say, nah, so that means when they don't scatter. And so this woman say, fence, so now, I don't want to rush this woman go hospital. They come they talk now. Now so wedding, so they scatter. Now some people not say chop rice. People go still chop the rice, because that rice not feature waste for reception. When I come bless, I they talk too much. My people now go watch the video by myself and say, wait till they talk. Now true life story. It happened here on Saturday, so now it happen on Saturday. Now this matter soap. Things they happen for this one, especially we big girls. Make we dey cautious of ourselves now. How you go get belle for another man? You still wear gown, go church, go marry another person. Now they fear God. Not get the fear of God. But my people, I don't want to talk. When I come like say they raise my voice. Make una watch this video to the end. Make una just settle down, watch this video to the end. If una don't watch this video finish, we'll come back. We'll come finish analyzing the matter. My people, watch this video.
Why I don't boss you? Why I don't boss you? Okay, now for my collector. Now boss. Why are you? That's it. Go marry her. Why I don't boss you? Why I don't boss you? Why I don't boss you? Ó fún lóyún. Ó ti dá. Ṣé wọ́n lọ wá blọọkì wọlé? Wàlú ló wá blọọkì wọlé sá. This is live. Here in Samanda. Ẹ jọ mi sí lórí.
Open I don't watch the video. Una see say wetin I dey solve do not lie. Everywhere scatter oh. The wedding not wedding again. The wedding was not wedding. And so we can see our last. But we shall dey careful with anything we do for this life. Being it girl, being it a man. See, this thing will meet us for front. It will feel pass through some level at a particular time. And we not go feel bad, but in the way for us for front, let's be careful of things that we are doing. Let's be conscious of what we are doing. What would they use our mind? What would they use our conscience? What would they get that fear of God if they do things? Now, that one I feel talk about this matter. But people, what's not really concerning this thing? I will let know our opinion. We can drop our opinion for comment section. Now, this one will bring today for our entertainment things. So we can do it to like and share. Until we meet again for another entertainment things, make una stay safe. Una do.